Hello everyone, my name is Satya Shravani and I have completed my graduation under the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and my passed out year is 2016, and next to that I have written few government exams and so on. I have started working on 2020 for as a school teacher for few months, next to that in a non-IT sector, and I have also got trained as a business analyst for few months for Ramki Technologies. And after getting married in 2024, I came to know that I used to watch YouTube channels regarding the career gap and all. Then I came to know about Sushmita Madam's channel. I'm a follower of Ma'am's channel. Actually, I'm the subscriber. So I used to go through Madam's channel and I used to watch few videos also, which I got interested in learning digital marketing course, and I thought it would be a good platform for me. And after learning the course, which I have started in the month of April, and I have started learning until August, September. Likewise, the internship is also been continuing, and my mentor is Shweta ma'am. I really love ma'am's way of teaching, and she used to give us everyday tasks. Because of giving the tasks and all, we used to perform really well with an anxiety of learning, and everything used to be on daily basis. We used to have the sessions at the night. It's totally in an online, and I really loved the ma'am's way of teaching. She used to give she used to clarify all our doubts on the day with really patience, by having a lot of patience, and I really appreciate ma'am. Thank you once again for reaching all our doubts with a lot of patience. Um, and all our communication related classes and also video editing classes were taken up by Sushmita ma'am, and all were really well being taught by ma'am's guidance through Naukari portals and all. We used to get the job offers regarding all the all the required job opportunities. And coming to Vanilla ma'am, who is an HR in the Career 9 Institute, um, and also she used to take care of all our job opportunities related things and all. Like ma'am used to give us send us all the details regarding our requirements. Like if it is a work from home opportunity, we used to get all the updates regarding the work from home opportunity. And if it is work from office, if people are interested to go out and work through the office, ma'am is going to share all the details, and ma'am took care of me. Like she gave me the correct guidance, and mainly Madhu sir. I'm very thankful to Madhu sir, because sir appreciated, like sir put me forward in getting an opportunity of work from home. One it is, that is of a clinic, and Vinila ma'am and Madhu sir both took me forward by applying to that company. Like it is a healthcare clinic of Reset Cairo Wellness Center, which is located in Hyderabad, and it's really a work from home opportunity where I'm getting a good work. Like it's the and the job role is social media executive role, and I'm really enjoying the job role. And I really feel a proud to join in this institute, because I didn't ever feel bored of learning this course until from the beginning until the end. I really enjoyed each and every day, because it's totally related to all our creativity, and and it goes on moving with the creative skills, like using various AI tools and many more. Uh, and I really enjoyed this. in this platform. And thank you once again for each and everyone, like Sushmita ma'am and Madhu sir, and Vinila ma'am, and our trainer Shweta ma'am. Thank you once again, everyone. Yes, that's it.